Did you know there are entrepreneurs right now, kids barely out of college, running AI automation agencies making $100,000 a month with zero coding skills? This 24-year-old scaled an AI agency to 7 figures in under 6 months, and here's the exact playbook he used. In the next 10 minutes, you'll learn the exact system to launch your own AI automation agency and position yourself to hit $1 million faster than you ever thought possible. Welcome back to the Young Founders Club, where we strip away the fluff and show you how to actually build businesses that work. Today, you're going to learn the AI agency model anyone can start in 2025, the tools you'll need, and they cost less than $100 a month, the exact 3-step client acquisition system successful agencies are using right now, and how to avoid the mistakes that kill most agencies before they even land their first deal. But first, let me show you why the way most people are approaching AI right now, like building chatbots or launching SaaS, is actually costing them money. The $1 million opportunity. AI agencies are the new gold rush. Let me give you a real example. In 2024, a guy named Daniel, 25, started an AI automation agency helping real estate agents automate their lead follow-up. Within 3 months, he was doing $80,000 a month in contracts, all because he packaged AI tools that already existed and sold them as a done-for-you service. You don't need to invent AI, you just need to package it. Think of yourself as the translator between cutting-edge AI tools and old-school businesses that don't know how to use them. Your value is speed, clarity, and implementation. Here's how to pick your niche fast. Look at industries drowning in repetitive tasks: real estate, e-commerce, law firms, healthcare clinics. Pick one and identify 2-3 bottlenecks. For example, law firms waste hours drafting documents. AI can cut that down by 70%. Build your offer around solving that problem. One niche, one pain, one solution. But here's where most people mess this up. They spread themselves across 10 industries, offering 20 different services. That kills focus and momentum. The tools and playbook to run your agency for under $100 a month. Here's a crazy stat. According to McKinsey, companies that adopt AI early see up to 40% cost savings in operations. That's why businesses are willing to pay you thousands per month to set this up for them. Here's the starter tool stack you need. ChatGPT plus or team for building automations and workflows. Zapier or Make.com to connect apps and automate tasks. Go High Level or Clio for law firms, etc., CRM and client management. Notion or Trello to track projects. That's under $100 a month, and with that stack you can deliver services worth $5,000 to $20,000 per client. Here's the playbook. Identify the pain, e.g. dentists wasting time on scheduling. Build the system. Zapier plus ChatGPT to handle bookings automatically. Package the service. You charge $3,000 a month to manage the system. Rinse and repeat in one niche until you dominate it. Now this next part is crucial, because tools mean nothing if you don't know how to land clients. And most people get stuck here. How to land your first 10 clients without paid ads. Common mistake to avoid. Most entrepreneurs waste money on Facebook ads or fancy websites before they've even signed their first client. That's backwards. Agencies are built on relationships, not ads. Here's the 3-step client acquisition system. Direct outreach. Use LinkedIn, cold email, or even Instagram DMs. Aim for 50-100 targeted messages per day. Free value call. Offer a 15-minute AI audit where you show them how much money they're losing by not automating. Close with a simple offer. Example, we'll save you 20 hours a week by automating X for $2,500 a month. If we don't, you don't pay. Tools that make this scalable: Apollo.io for scraping leads, Loom to send personalized video pitches, Calendly to book calls automatically. And finally, the secret that ties this all together: you don't just run an AI agency, you build a growth machine. The secret? Build systems, not hustles. Here's what separates the agencies that hit $1 million from the ones that die out. They stop being freelancers and start building systems. Think of McDonald's. It's not the best burger, but it's the best system. Your AI agency should run like that. Hire a VA to handle outreach. Hire a project manager to oversee client delivery. Use Loom videos and SOPs so anyone can run your workflows. That's how you scale past 6 figures into 7. The opportunity is massive. AI agencies can be packaged and sold for $3,000 to $20,000 a month per client. The tools are cheap. You can run the whole thing for under $100 a month. The client system is simple. Outreach, free value call, close the deal. And the secret to scaling: stop hustling, start building systems. Drop a comment below. If you launched an AI agency tomorrow, which niche would you go after first? I'll share feedback on the most interesting ideas. Next week, I'm breaking down secrets to achieving massive sales across all industries. Learn what works. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it.